In this tutorial, I will be explaining you how to write your first node.js program. So writing a program in node.js consists of two parts. One is the text editor. Text editor can vary on different operating system. For example, Notepad will be used on Windows, or Vim or VI can be used on Windows as well as Linux or Unix. Next part consists of Node.js libraries. The source code written in source file is simply a JavaScript. The Node.js interpreter will be used to interpret and execute your JavaScript code. Any program you write in Notepad will be called as a source file in Node.js. So first step in installing Node.js is to download the latest version of Node.js installable archive from the official website of Node.js. The Node.js can be installed from the official website depending upon the version of the computer in which you will install. For example, there may be 32-bit or 64-bit MSI installer or exe installer, Mac OS installer, or any other libraries. To install in Linux, we need to use the following sudo apt-get install node.js command. The environment variable can be set by using the command export path equal to user/local/node.js bin. Installation on Windows is simpler. We simply need to download the MSI file from the official website and follow the instructions in the setup. By default, it will be installed in c:/program files/node.js and sets the path of the environment variable to c:/program files/node.js/bin. So let us download the 64-bit MSI installer. After the download completes, click on the MSI installer. Click on the Run tab. Follow the setup instructions. Accept the license agreement and click on Next. Here we can see that the Node.js by default installs into this program files directory. Click on Next. To check if the Node.js has properly installed, let us write a program. Console.log. So let us save this file as a JavaScript file. Let us run this program. So this program, we have to write node space the file name of the JavaScript file. We can see that the program prints hello world. This tells us that the Node.js has been properly installed. A Node.js application consists of three parts. One is import required modules. We will use the require directive to load the node.js module. Node.js module can be anything, for example HTTP Express module. The next one is create server, a server which will listen to client's requests similar to Apache HTTP server. And the third part consists of reading the request and returning the responses properly. Server created in earlier step will read HTTP request made by client, which can be a browser or a console, and return the proper response. So let us see the program. The first so let us see the program. The first step consists of importing the required module. In this program, we are importing the HTTP module in the variable HTTP. The HTTP instance created in the previous step to create a server. In the create server function, we pass the request and the response as the parameter. The first response.write head will write the status code 200 to the header and the content type as text plain. Next is the body tag. In this, we can attach the hello world message in the body tag by using the response.end function. We can make this server function to listen to 8081 by appending it with .listen function. The next step is console.log. This will basically print on the console that the server is running. So let us start this server. We have to use the same command as used previously, that is node space main.js. This will start the server at http :127.0.0.1 :8081. So to place a request to this server, we have to open any web browser. To place a request to the server, open any browser. Chrome will be more suitable. Type in the IP address of the server and give the port address also with the URL. We can see that the hello world application is printed on the Chrome browser. Hence we see that the server is working.